Hello, all my fellow success seekers out there. Today we're going to be going over how to create a members area using the BuilderAll web service. For those that don't know, BuilderAll is basically an all-in-one web service that gives you every affiliate marketer basically almost every tool they need. If you don't have BuilderAll, I highly suggest that you look into getting it. And if you're interested, I have a link down below. Okay, so now let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is once you get into your BuilderAll dashboard, you want to go into Apps and go into the Cheetah Website Builder. Okay, so once we're within the website, the Cheetah Website Builder, we're going to want to create a new website. And here we're going to choose to use a professional template. And we're going to choose the health and fitness niche today. Okay, so let's go ahead and select this one. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so the first two things that I want to do is I want to go in and I want to create a members page, and I want to actually create the members area. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now if you don't know how. Okay, so first, to create a new page, very easy. We just go here and click the create new page, and we will call this members page. We'll save that. Now before I create the members area, I always like adding a mailing list to my members area so that when the members join, we can send our offers out to our members. So let's go ahead and do that first before we create the members area. You're going to want to do create a list in Mailing Boss first before you create the members area, because when you're creating the members area, that list is already going to have to be created. So let's go ahead and go into Mailing Boss. Okay, go into our lists. And let's create a new list. Okay, so we'll just call this one demo list. And I always like using double opt-in for my lists. I mean, it doesn't really apply to the members area, but if you're creating an email campaign, or an opt-in form and you're using this list, a double opt-in is better because you'll get more quality leads with a double opt-in, since they have to take the extra step of actually opening an email and clicking the link to complete the opt-in process. So we'll just give a description of demo list, save that. For this tutorial, we're not really going to go in and do some of these other settings. You do want to go in and configure your list usually, but we're not going to do that for this demo. Okay, so now that we have the list created, we can go ahead and go up here to the Create Members area. Alright, so let's call our members area the Health Website Members area. And you want to create a color. I'll show you what this is for, but you want to set a color besides white for this, and I'll point out the reason why in a few steps down the road. Okay, and so we can actually just name this the description, we'll just name it the same as the name. Website members area. And for this demonstration, we're not going to have it be a paid area. We'll just have it be a automatically grant access. And we're going to use the login authentication type. Now, for the pages, you can actually have many pages within your members area. For this demo, we only have one. So right here in the pages, every page that you want to be restricted to the members area, you would select every one of those. But for this demonstration, we're just going to have the one page, which is the members page. So here, and now, if you have multiple pages, you want one main page, and that's what this selection is. So since we only have one page, it's obviously going to be the only members area page. So now you can add an e-learning course to your members area, which is a very popular thing to do. We're not going to do that in this demonstration. We're going to be adding our list here that we just made in Mailing Bus. So when we open up our drop down here, we should see the mailing list we just created. So here you see demo list. So we're going to select that, save it. So now our new members area is created. So here's the health website members area, and if you needed to make any changes to the configuration for the members area, right here is where you would do that at. And I want to point out to you the reason why we chose the color for the members area, because whatever page is part of that members area, we chose red. So now you'll see a little red circle in the upper left hand corner of the page, of every page that's part of that members area. So here you see the members pages, which we selected in the members area. Now we have that red circle there. So it's just an easy way to organize and see how your website's laid out once you have a bigger project. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to edit the members area page, the members page. And all we're going to do on this one, I just want to put some text to show that it's the actual members page. And we want to create for this demonstration, a log out button, which will log us out of the members area. Okay, so now that we're in here, we'll just go to add a panel. We're just going to add a blank panel. And for the text, we'll just do something simple. We'll just say, hello, welcome to the health website member page. Okay, and now we'll add our button. So go to add elements, button, the round button, and we will say this button is to log out, so we'll add that text to our button. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and edit this link. And what we're going to do is we want to target the site members and we want to log out. And what this is once the log out occurs, where do you want the user to go? So for our purpose, we want the user to go back to the home page when they log out. So we select home, select, and that's all there is for the members page. and save that. Close that out. Now we can close that page. Okay, so now we want to go to the home page and we want to create the actions to buttons so that we can log into our members area. So we'll edit this page. Okay, so now, so what I want to do on this home page, I'm going to create two places to log in. I want it in our main call to action here, and I'm going to add a drop down menu item to here. So first let's do this one. Okay, so here first I want to change the text. And we're going to, instead of train now, we're just going to say join now. Okay, and then we're going to create our link. And what we want to do here is we want this to be a site members button. We want to log in. Now where do we want to log into? We want to log into our health website members area. So we click that. In the redirect action afterwards, we want it to go to our members page. And that's it for that. So now this button should be all set. Now what I want to do is go up here to this main menu bar and I want to configure this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a item, and that item we want it to be called the members area. Now what we want to do is add two submenus. One's going to be log in and one's going to be log out. So the first menu item, log in. Save that. And the next menu item, log out. And save that. Now we're going to create our hyperlinks for each one. So this one will be the same, this is the login submenu, and this will be the same action as the button on the main page of the home page. So site members, login, health website, and we want it to go to the members page. Select that. Now let's go to the log out. For log out, site members, log out, and we'll just stay in the home page. But our main menu, I mean, we may have some global headers and global footers, and so this menu bar may be on every page of our website. So even though in this instance it's being called from the home page, it may actually be called from a different page within our website. So here we want to go to our home page, and then we'll save that. Okay, so now we should have everything in place to be able to run this and see how it works. So let's save this. That's fine. Close. Okay, then we'll go back here and let's test it out. So here's our live version. Join now. Let's click that. Okay, so now we should be able to just plug in an email. We'll see. Do that. Well, actually, we don't have a sign-in yet, so we're going to have to register. So, there's Paul. This is just an email I like to use when testing. Create a password. We'll confirm that. And now the login process should proceed. And here we go. Hello, welcome to our help website member page. And now, if you remember, for this button we added a logout action, which should take us back to the home page. And there you go. So, okay, so now that we're back at our home page, we're going to test out the members area menu bar. So the first thing I want to do, we just logged out, so the URL to get to the members page is members page. So let's go here and see if we can get into the members page. And as you see, it's not letting us in. So let's test our menu bar. Let's log in then. Okay, so here's our account we created. Let's sign in. There you go, we're back in here, so we're currently logged in. So now let's go back to the home page. And as you see, if we go here, we go to log in, we should already be logged in, so we should go straight to our members page. Okay, and we do. So let's check out the logout function from the main menu. So let's go back to the home page. Now let's go here to the members area and let's log out. Okay, so the action for the logout is to take us back to the home page. So here we are again. So now let's try going back to that members page again. And as you see, that won't let us do it because we're not currently logged in. So we know those buttons are working correctly. Sign in. And it takes us to our members page. This is how you create a members area for your website. I mean, you may have many things you want to do with your members area. Maybe, like I said, an e-learning, an e-training. You may be selling products. Whatever the case is, this is very cool and a very useful tool to have. And as I said earlier, if you don't have BuilderAll, you really want to use this tool, because I mean, look at all of these tools that are available to you. You can do everything you need to do as an affiliate marketer, and you can even become a website agency and host web pages, create web pages. This program literally has everything you need for affiliate marketing. So if you don't have BuilderAll, get it now, and you can go down to the link below to get your membership today.